Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Q80T. This is the 65-inch model. I'm excited to try this out. It's got some interesting features like the ultra-wide viewing angle, so it looks good when you're sitting off axis. It's also got a full array local dimming feature for deep blacks, and it's got a quantum processor which is supposed to use AI technology to upscale your lower resolution content up to 4K. So I'm excited to see how that looks. This is how the box looks when it arrives. Usually comes with some straps around it to keep it intact when it's being delivered. But you'll need at least two people to install this and to move it around because it is quite heavy and you won't be able to carry it by yourself. So let's get it open and see what's inside. All right, we got the top off and it looks like there are some quick setup instructions here, as well as I believe this is the base. Yeah, so this is what we're going to be installing on the back of the TV to hold it up. It's not quite as heavy as I expected. It actually doesn't appear to be metal. It feels more like plastic. And then over here we've got a user manual, and it looks like we'll have some instructions on the inside. So there's quite a lot of packing foam around here. And actually here is the other part of the base. So there is a metal base that attaches to a plastic back piece, and this is going to go on the back of the TV and attach to the metal base. So it actually comes in two parts. So let's get it all unwrapped and see what we're up against for setup. All right, we got everything unboxed. We got the TV sitting on the styrofoam support for now. And inside the box you get the plastic backing for the stand installation. So this part attaches to the back of the TV, and then down at the bottom here you attach it to the base. And now this is made of metal. This is quite heavy, but it'll give you a strong, sturdy support for your TV. Looks like you get 2 packs of screws, so 4 to attach the backing to the back of the TV, and another 4 to attach the backing to the base. In your instructions, you're going to see for, at least for the 65-inch model, it tells you to take everything out and then to use 2 people to put it on a table. Now the table has to be wider than the TV itself, so you're not applying pressure to the screen and causing damage. So we're going to try using the box because the box is going to be slightly wider than the TV. And then from there you attach the backing to the back of the TV. There's a compartment that comes off which you can put some cables through from the looks of it. You attach this to the bottom of the stand. You screw it into the stand. You attach it to the TV here at step 7. And then you're ready to flip it upright and plug it in and continue with the on-screen setup. So let's get going and see how long it takes. All right, we got it up and out of the box, and now we've exposed the back panel where the panel will attach for the base attachment, and we're going to screw this in now with 4 screws. Okay, the setup is complete. It looks like it is sitting comfortably. It's got some very simple cable management at the back, some grooves that you can slide your cables through, and the back of the stand comes off so you can run the cables down through there. You can see I've got the power cable going through there. One thing I noticed is that it's a bit more wobbly than previous Samsungs that I've owned that had stands on either side, so you do have to be careful if you're going to have kids around it or animals. Just keep in mind that it is more wobbly than other TVs. So installation was pretty straightforward. Just attach the back while it's laying down and attach the back to the stand and then put it upright, and you're good to go. So we're going to do the on-screen setup now and see how long that takes. All right, we've gone through the main setup, and now we're updating the TV's firmware. That's the software on the TV. Looks like it's going to take a few minutes, so we'll get this done and then we'll get some apps installed and see how it performs. All right, guys, software update is done. We're in and we're watching some TV. Netflix comes preloaded, so you can get started on that right away. I noticed that you have to sign into a Samsung account to install any additional apps from the App Store, so that's a little annoying. But it looks like it comes with the most important apps preloaded, so you're going to be ready to go right off the bat. So good TV so far. Initial first impressions, easy setup. It's very heavy. The stand is a little wobbly, but overall good picture quality. Going to need some time to really experiment with all the built-in features in the Samsung Tizen Smart OS. So yeah, stay tuned. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll post a full review video once I've had time to work it out and to try it out.